Hi guys, it's your girl Beautiful Rebel and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because we in here.
She used to work at King of Diamonds on a Monday. Only hit the club on Saturday and Sunday. I used to pull up every week, you should have seen her. The way she did it, nobody could do it cleaner.
Anyways, happy New Year's guys. I know it's like dumb late now. By the time you get this video, it's probably like February because I'm doing this video on the 30th, so God knows when I'm gonna edit it. But I decided to do an updated get to know me tag because I have my new followers and because I put my other video on private. So you know, they always say new year, new me, so I gotta give y'all more updated info on me. Don't forget, don't mind this broken nail, sis. Like, I broke this today at school. I'm tired. It's like 10 o'clock at night. My bitch is tired. Let's get right into this video with these questions. Alright, so the first question is current mood. Bitch, I'm tired. I just came from a philosophy class that's 3.5 hours long. Bitch, I'm tired. Okay? Age, I'm 25 years old. But on March 16th, I'll be 26. I still look like a child though. If I had this wig off my head and this makeup off, since I look like I'm like 11. What is the last song you listened to? My last song I listened to was Dave East and Jaquez, Alone. I love that song. My favorite song, I have no favorite song. It's whatever song I'm vibing to and I'm bumping to. It's like a whatever thing, says it could be dancehall, it could be some trap shit like some Brooklyn shit. Whoa, you feel me? Let me stop. I'm not wooing or chewing. Disclaimer, no gang life. Favorite novel, I don't have a favorite novel, but I do want to say this might be prerogative and whatever. Back in the days, I love my Zane books, okay? My love 50 Shades of Grey. Those books speak here. Where would you like to travel? Now y'all know I love traveling. I love traveling to the T. But where I like to travel the most? I don't know. I really want to travel the world. I know it probably might not be possible for me without going my career, whether I have kids or whatever, but it's just like, sis, I gotta travel the world. But where I like to travel now, like where's my heart destined to probably go, it's probably Africa. I want to visit Nigeria. The story of your last kiss. My last kiss was, what is it now, 10 o'clock? My last kiss was like 4 o'clock when I got dropped home. Period, poo. Where would you like to be right now? I would like to be, where would I like to be right now? I would like to be on an island, say like Bora Bora or Fiji, eating some crab legs. I've been craving seafood for like days now, sis. Days. One of your insecurities. My biggest insecurity is my birthmark. Now if you watch a lot of videos, probably right now, if you look, you'll see like the shade of my birthmark right here. I look so younger without any lashes, sis. Like, but anyways, my insecurity is my birthmark. I started to get over it because I've stopped wearing makeup a lot to work. I used to wear makeup a lot because of my birthmark. Like, people used to bother me with my forehead, but I got over that long time, sis, because you know, all y'all biddies want big foreheads now to get them frontals, and it's not working out, sis. Now, big forehead gang, feel me? But yeah, my biggest insecurity is my birthmark, and my face is also breaking out since last year, Thailand. If you watch a lot of my videos, I never used to have like black spots on my face, and I'm having it. I'm gonna try this mask, this natural home remedy mask, but if you guys have any tips down below, let me know. I always ask for every video. Let me know if I have any tips. But I'm gonna try this mask, and when I try it and I feel like if it does work, I'm gonna update y'all. I'm gonna show you the remedy. I'm gonna teach you the remedy. Yeah. Why did you join YouTube? Now, I wanted to make a video about that, but just in case I make the story time, I joined YouTube a couple years ago when I was in high school. I used to get bullied a lot, and I was a quiet kid that would probably slap you up. Okay? Nothing probably. I was the one that would slap you up, but I had a lot of deep insecurities. I was bullied a lot, shoved around. I was like the pretty geek, You feel me? And then I had like, not really family issues, but like, if you know the story of my dad, like I met my dad when I was like 14 because he was in jail, but just like a lot of stuff from the past of being a kid kind of build up. And this is why when I do decide to have a baby, I want to pick the right person. Not saying I'm trying to plan my pregnancy because I want it to happen when it wants to happen, unless I'm in my career and I'm like, all right babe, we're gonna breed today. But I want my child to have a very close love relationship with their father. And if you know me, I'm a daddy's girl to the T. My dad raised me through jail calls, you feel me? But anyways, hugs or kisses? All right, I don't really know between the two, because if I'm kissing I gotta hug you, but then hugs are warm, but then kisses are sensual. So I'm gonna go with kisses. If it's boyfriend wise, kisses. If it's family wise, hugs. Any siblings? I have 2 older brothers, one on my mother's side and my father's side. Craziest thing you ever done? Do I want to share?
But I cannot see. I'm legally blind. That's my story. I'm sticking to it. I'm innocent.
Okay, one of my craziest moments is probably I'm gonna just say, let me give y'all a safe one. The craziest thing I've ever done is snorkeling in the middle of the ocean in Thailand. That was a creepy experience because if you know me, if I can't feel anything under my feet or see anything under my feet, it's a wrap. But once I went snorkeling and I looked down and I seen the school of fish or whatever, I was way much calmer. I didn't even want to get out the water, sis. I was with the shenanigans, the shenanigans. Quote you live by: una ear must feel. Yeah? Una ear must feel. If you don't know what that means, figure it out, sis. But there's a lot of quotes I live by, but that quote, especially do unto others as you want others to do unto you, those are my 2 favorite quotes. 2 favorite quotes. Had or have a job? I have a job. I would consider YouTube as a job. Not as yet, but I'm gonna just slightly consider it because now I'm trying to get consistent for you guys, bring out new content. That's one. And I have 2 retail jobs. I only picked up a second one just because, and the second one is way much easier because I go when I feel like I don't have to go 24/7. But like I'm saying, like I focus on school, so it ain't nothing. One of your fears. My biggest fear is to die. That's really one of my fears. My biggest fear is to die. Like when I was a kid, I used to think that when you die, it's like you're reincarnated into somebody else's body. Like I would be another person and I'm seeing through that person's eyes, but I won't be able to like remember what my past life was about. One of your passions. My passion is to become a nurse. That's my biggest passion. That's my biggest goal. That's the one thing I want to achieve by the hook or the crook. Yeah, I have to be a nurse. I want to be a nurse so bad. I want to be a nurse to better myself. I want to be a nurse because I'm very passionate about working with kids mostly, because I want to be a neonatal nurse. I want to be the NICU, even though that consists of seeing stillbirths and stuff like that. I'm kind of nervous about seeing that, but that's what I really want to do. You feel me? And I feel like I really want to be a nurse to be able to provide for my family, you know, whether I'm a widow, whether I'm separated. Like that's been the biggest goal. Like this or comment on the bottom if you ever was like a female as a kid and you used to like female as a kid. I'm so dumb. If when you was a kid you used to like write down like how your kids' room would look like, how your wedding would look like. Yeah, I used to always do that. I have my composition notebook. I used to draw my wedding dresses, the hairstyles, my bridesmaids. I till this day I know how my daughter's room will look like if I have a daughter, and how my son's room will look like if I have a son. But that only if I got that career, sis. I wanted the career. So when, you know, me and a man left, if me and a man ever left, would me divorce him or like we just together, you my child's father, that could be like, yeah, go to your father's little coop house, apartment or whatever. Yeah, come home to like a 5-bedroom apartment. Yeah, no man can't, one thing no man can't take from you, higher education. Remember that. Yeah. Is there anyone you wish you were with? Let me fix this camera. Is there anyone you wish you were with? Right now, my daddy. I miss my daddy. I'm my daddy's girl, so I miss my daddy. Describe the person you dislike the most. I'm gonna describe the person I used to dislike the most because, sis, like, I wouldn't want to say I put it in the past because it's still right here, but it's just like, whatever. Like, it would never be an opportunity where we'll meet up because every time we about to cross paths, you never link, but it's whatever. But describe the person I used to dislike the most. Disgusting, follower, hater, beep rider, nosy, fake. That's about it. Yeah, that's about it. Yeah, false hopes and dreams, because it's like everything somebody that this person doesn't like is doing, they follow suit, and then their situation always ends up failing. But they don't realize that's by the grace of God. You cannot knock down good people, and you cannot follow people's footsteps to try to overshadow them because you don't like them. I've never been a person to like, oh, I don't like this girl, let me do this, try to outrun them now. So everything this person's ever tried to do in that sense, they always fail. Period, poo. Describe your best friend. My best friend is dark skin chocolate. Hey, Ashley. Beautiful, smart, educated. No all our tongue for nobody. Curvy. Yeah. Weaves always on point. Nails always on point. Okay. Sweetheart, kind, very generous. No all our. I said already. Yeah. Little bit of spice, little bit of nice. You feel me? Pretty much. What does the last text you sent say? The last text I sent said was, you okay? To my boyfriend, and he's typing back like right now. Your idea of a perfect date. Okay, so my idea of a perfect date is, one's gotta be surprised. You gotta surprise me, sis. Like, tell me like, hey, like, I got something in the house for you. This is like we live together type shit. Like, I got something in the house for you. I go in, you know, I see a little dress, a little note, you know, I meet you there. I get there. It's flowers. It could be like a home cooked dinner or like a restaurant thing, but we just gonna say a restaurant thing, you feel me? Flowers, nice champagne. My favorite food is seafood, you know. Let's just say the dress that you put on for me is red. My favorite color is red. Little stuff like that. I'm not really materialistic at all. I just like the little stuff, like pay attention to my favorite color, pay attention to my favorite flower, pay attention to my features that I love the most. Like stuff that you know that I like. Once you put that together, it melts my heart. My boyfriend's watching this. Valentine's Day's coming around the corner. Last movie you saw. The last movie I saw was on Netflix, A Fall from Grace. Y'all gotta see that movie. That movie's fire. That movie taught me so many damn lessons. Someone you miss. My daddy. I miss my daddy so much. What upsets you the most? Fake people. No, what upsets me the most? Fake people. People that disturb my peace. If I don't bother you, don't bother me. Okay? I'm very, like, I'm non-problematic. Like, I don't start stuff that I cannot finish. If any argument you ever see me in, just know somebody started with me first, and that's how I had to done them, finish them. You understand? Done them. Where would you like to travel? Okay, I just said this in the last video, but where I would really like to travel to is probably, where I would really like to travel the most? Probably Bora Bora. Bora Bora. I would love to see Bora Bora. Yeah, I would love to see Bora Bora. Do you want to get married? What type of question is that? Of course. You know, some young good girl. I miss a wife. Miss a wife with the 4 fingernail. Miss a wife. Of course, I would love to get married. Okay, sis? Happiest moment. My happiest moment is when I first saw my dad when he came out of jail. That's my happiest moment when I was a kid. Person you care about the most. Alright, I hope that my family don't watch this, but y'all know it's my daddy. Y'all know it's my dad. One person you gotta come between through is my dad. Any guilty pleasures? I don't think I have any guilty pleasures. Nah, I don't have any guilty pleasures. I don't think so. I don't have any guilty pleasures. Number of piercings. Okay, piercing wise, I got my belly button pierced. I got the top hair of my ears pierced. I got my ears pierced twice when I was a baby because my ears are very small, as you can see. So my mother thought the first hole was closed. And I can't really say that because I ain't trying to get demonetized. Next question. Tattoos? Yes, I do. I got a tattoo on my middle finger that says Rebel. YouTube don't demonetize me. This is just for show. Okay. Last question is an embarrassing moment. So one of my embarrassing moments is when I was in high school and I had this so-called best friend that I had since junior high school, whatever. I was at the door playing with her, and you know them clip-on ponytails? Sis pulled off my clip. Oh, sorry, they just texted me. Sis pulled off my clip-on ponytail. You feel me? And I was super embarrassed. It's like I laughed it out, but I wanted to run away and cry. But anyways, that's some quick questions to get to know me. And if you just seen this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're new here, welcome to the army, welcome to the gang, welcome to the squad. You feel me? Anyways, comment below if any other videos you want me to talk about, any other videos you want me to record. And how do y'all think about the idea of a little advice section where you guys send in your stories? Y'all can send it anonymously. Let me know. I tried this before and it became a freaking fail, but I only put it out on the Snapchat, but now I'm putting it out on YouTube. So how do you guys feel about me having a little Nini's corner, like where I read your stories? Don't say your name. If it's anonymous, say anonymous or whatever, and then we'll comment on your stories for me and give you advice. But anyways, like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Welcome to this banging ass channel. And follow me on the road to success. Bye, guys.
She used to work at King of Diamonds on a Monday. Only hit the club on Saturday and Sunday.